major pain point that we are addressing at qZense lab is of highly inefficient fresh food supply chain. So all the operations relating to fresh food management, the decisions of when to sell what commodities, which commodity lot will get rotten first and at what price to be sold, these decisions are currently based on guesswork. And we believe that informed decisions using data can help solve this inefficiency and reduce the wastage.
We are actually an artificial intelligence-driven IoT products. We believe in a holistic solution. We are an end-to-end platform. At current stage only, we are integrating two key deep technologies, one which is based on spectral sensing, which is near-infrared spectroscopy, and another which is based on sense of smell, that is olfaction. We are combining the two technologies together which come in synergy, and we look into the outcomes that we can have, the impact that we can have with this data into the fresh food segment.
The major challenge was how to figure out the optimal solution for it. We knew the technology, but what product can actually be deployed and solve the problem in the warehouse conditions in a country like India where the whole supply chain is totally fragmented. Now the challenge is more towards understanding the various customer needs, building business models subjective to the customer, and also understanding what each customer would want, being associated with some of the top retailers in the country and now even global players. That is something that really excites our investors. And that is definitely one of the major things. And secondly, I would say technology. So our technology actually excites our customers. So whenever we see even our demo, actually all of our customers have seen those demos and they really like that.
Our tech differentiation is so strong that it translates into our IPs. We have already filed one patent and we are actually working on few more in the coming months. So we have a very strong tech differentiation in terms of the IPs that we hold. And also the technology that we are building is not just one technology that it is a synergy and addition of multiple things that come into together and work as an effect.
So we started with building the device and testing the device with some of our customers. Currently we have done 5 deployments, 3 in Bangalore, 1 in Mumbai and 1 in Kinnaur for Apple exporter. And with one of this customer, we are currently discussing a 100+ device deployment contract. So I got to know from a friend who had previously applied to qZense, and he suggested that we should also apply. The program began when we went to their headquarters in Mumbai, and it was a 1-month program where extensively we were meeting the core team in Reliance Industries. Mentors were coming and they used to take lectures on how Reliance is built. So we got a very deep understanding of the whole Reliance ecosystem. Also, they facilitated meetings with key people, decision makers in the Reliance retail directly and helped us in securing them as a client. So that was really critical for us. And apart from that, they also helped us in meeting investors, which can help us in raising funds and even give very good referrals to us in terms of the team building. So it's a very good ecosystem. Even now, they constantly help us throughout our journey.
Currently, as we are working with just 2 product lines which are working on the fresh food quality assessment, in the future we are looking into making the system much more automated by having additional conveyor systems. So we are looking into the integrations with the conveyor system for high speed and high numbers that can be worked upon in the supply chain. We are also looking into the adjacent markets of the fresh food system because those are very crucial markets and which again face the same problem of assuring the quality. So those will be the 2 goals for the coming years.
The future for us is to be the leader in fresh food management solution globally. And to achieve that, we would go beyond India this year. We will start deployments outside India. And we already have got very good customer interest from some of the countries. So we will start that. And our plan is to reach a 5,000+ device deployment in next 2 years. That's our goal in terms of deployments, and also capture a major share of market in Southeast Asian region in the coming years.